Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Gizmo Guru. Today, we'll be taking a look at Sprayway Glass Cleaner, and I'll go over what it is, what it does, and how well it works, and if I think you should buy it. So, without further ado, let's get to it. So, in front of us, we have two different containers. Now, the big difference is going to come down to, so the one on the right is the foaming glass cleaner. Now the one on the left is more of just like a mist, so you just kind of spray it on with this little sprayer right here. Now, I've been using this cleaner for quite a few years now. I use it a lot on my vehicles, cleaning the windows, but I also use it around the house too, cleaning windows, mirrors, and this stuff is amazing. Especially the one on the right. That's my favorite one. And this stuff just, you can have like stuff on mirrors, on the windshield, and it really gets in there and cleans it without having to put a ton of effort into it. And it's not that expensive either, just a couple bucks at, Walmart or Home Depot, and it's definitely something I'd recommend picking up if you're looking for a good multi-purpose window cleaner that'll get the job done. I've tried Windex and stuff like that, and it's good and everything, but I find that with the foaming cleaner especially, your coverage is just much better. You know where you got, and it really helps get that grime out of the window or mirror or whatnot. So yeah, overall, if you're looking for a good cleaner, definitely one I'd highly recommend picking up.